Alright guys, let's walk into introduction to CorelDRAW. Things we need to know about CorelDRAW, all the tools and their functions. So this is what they call homepage. This is your homepage, just like in Microsoft they have homepage. So anything you draw out of this page cannot be printed. Anything you draw out of here cannot be printed. When you do fin F9, you show this thing, fin F9 or F9. For those who turn their fin control on, that's F10. Now let's start from here. This is what they call Shape Tool. You see, Shape Tool. Shape Tool is used to shaping objects the way you want it to be. For instance, now let me double click on this rectangle, and this is fitted on this page, whereby you can click and select any color of your choice. Now for instance, now let me make use of the Shape Tool and see how it looks like. Now you click on it, go to Shape Tool. You see, once you click, okay, as you can see, I just click on Shape Tool and this thing works through. Now you come at the edge and let's click on Convert to Curve. And those black stuff, okay, let me start from telling you the work of these black spots at the edge of it. Those black stuff. Now this black stuff gives an avenue of want to shape the edges. You can go to one edge and drag. Can you observe what is going on? Drag to any shape. You can even use it to form a slant circle. Do you understand? So that is the work of these black spots at the edge. Once you click on Shape Tool, this thing will just show. Now if you want to just make only one edge to shape, to resize on the shape, you go there and click again. You see, it's only select the only one edge. Now you can now just go and shape it the way you want it to be. The same thing with here. You click on this one, shape it the way you want it to be. That's why if you see on brochures, you see how people normally draw a shape of a picture frame. For instance, when they draw a block, they will use this shape tool. Click once and shape it. Click once and shape it the way they want it to be. Or to get the actual size of it, the exact size of it, you can click on this one, come here, put the amount you want it to be. See, all of them will show. But then if you want to select only one, you have to lock. You have to click on this edit corner, highlight here, get the size. Now after the whole thing, this is the work of Shape Tool. Just like I told you, to shape it the way you want it to be. Now you can go here, let's click Convert to Curve, or you press Ctrl Q to do it automatically. You come at the edge, let's click to curve and drag this thing down and drag this thing up. We are just trying to draw a concept with this shape. And just come here. When you want to leave it to the, you right click to double it and give the color you want. Yeah, give the color you want. So this is this for Shape Tool. I'll just teach you guys everything about this Shape Tool, so you can go and do your own and show us. But if I start teaching all of them at once, it will take a whole lot of time. So let's just stop on this Shape Tool, and you can do your own and show me on the comment section. You can just screenshot and show me, so you can observe them and see. Thank you and God bless.